Hey guys, it's Alexandra here, and I am going to do an unboxing for you guys of the Caraway. So I just moved into my new place and my old pots and pans were just horrible. So I decided to invest in some new pots and pans, and they're called Caraway. And let's go ahead and open it. So we finally got the box open. You're one step closer to cleaner cooking. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, so many boxes. Oh, this one says, this is what healthy cookware looks like at last. You guys can kind of, this is a big box. This is what healthy cookware looks like at last. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, so the setup is really beautiful. Like, the box was big for a reason. It's really organized and it ships right in this box. So it kind of keeps it really like in transit. It keeps it secured. I can't wait to get into this. All right, so let me go ahead and start opening it up. This is the first pan. This is the Saute Pan. More goodies are inside here, so let's open it up. So the color I decided to get was the Percata color. I just love it because they have other colors as well, but I think this will go really well with my decor that I plan on doing in this place. This thing says there's more goodies inside, so go ahead and open that now. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, this is super cute. So it looks like it looks like this is for storage. So, yeah, so I think that's what it is, but don't quote me. Looks like it's for storage. So I'm just gonna leave that there and put it on the side over here. Let's see what else. Plate all this stuff. Gives you instructions. Okay, so then we're gonna open up the frying pan, which I love to fry, but right now I'm actually on a diet, so I can't fry. But I can still use this for my egg whites in the morning. And you can see they have their name engraved in there. So these pots are really healthy. So apparently you're not supposed to use oil with the pots, which is really good, and they're non-stick. So that is just really good. Like, I'm just gonna try it out and see if it works, but I will keep you guys updated. So let's go ahead and put this one over there. All right, the Dutch oven. So this is the Dutch oven. This is huge. Like, this is, I guess I can make my pasta in this. And honestly, this is a big pasta bowl. Even though I'm not supposed to have pasta, but but we're gonna cook some soup in here or something. So yeah, so again, logo on the back. Okay. And then this is the saucepan. All right, so then this is the saucepan. Again, put your sauce in here. You can put rice in here, different things. But again, I love this color. Like, it's so cute. I love this color. All right. So let's see what else is in here. That's about it. Oh, this is amazing. Okay. Sorry guys, give me a second. I'm trying to get it. This is for storage. So say for instance you want to store your pots on your your counter. This is how you store the pots. Like, they all have individual sizes for each pot, which is super cute because honestly, like, I love the color of the pots and I want it to match with my decor. And this is perfect because, like, gray, like, it goes well with like my cabinets, and then the color looks beautiful, and I can store it on the counter, which is cute. Okay, then I'm gonna open this box here. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is probably the tops of everything. which let me go ahead and put this box down. So many boxes. All right. So I believe this is for, this has to be for the tops. But we gonna make sure. We gonna make sure we got everything in here. Yup. And I was right. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. So look. You guys can just hang this right, like, this is so cute. So they have the spots where you can hang, or I think this, it actually comes with the stickers where you can hang it like right there. So you can hang it on your fridge, you can hang it on your cabinet. Like, this is so cute. So this, it goes with all of the pots. So here goes, it's 3 of them. So I think 2 of them are the same size, if I'm not mistaken. But this is so cute. And then they have little quote. Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh, there's so many quotes. Okay, so this one says, "Gone are the days of misplacing all of your lids. We've designed an easy-to-use storage system to keep your lids organized and tidy. Remove each lid from the canvas lid holder first before taking the lid holder out." Okay, we understand that. But yeah, this is so cute. It's like, unbox the whole thing. I cannot wait to try it. Since quarantine, I've been cooking a lot, so I maybe, I don't know, be cooking more on my platforms. We'll see if I like learn some more recipes. So this is supposed to be really healthy. It's supposed to be non-stick. It's a healthier way of cooking, which is really good. So, you know, I will give you guys a review on as far as how the pots are working for me going forward. And then also I will put a link in the bio for you guys to purchase these pots. They do come in other colors. So again, I got the Paracoat color, and they come in like, there's a blue, there's a green, they have different colors. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and bye.